Yung wala dito, kung meron kayong mga friends na gusto nyo kunin yung certificate ng inyong best friend, pwede nyo tanggapin. So ito ay magagamit nyo in the future kasi malay mo, magkakaroon tayo dito ng malaking tindahan, may certificate kayo, ay paano kayo makakautang? O diba? Kung may certificate kayo, meron na kayong business na pwede na yun, parang na yun eh. Diba manager? Sa na, diba? Ano una dyan? Basahin mo manager yung yung nakasulat. This Margon Global Incorporated. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yun may nakalagay sa Muslim sa taas. So, certificate of appreciation is awarded to Muhammad Mihilar Daham for his valuable effort and participation to the Margon team. This selection to the Regional Charity Basketball Cup 2012 held in Alcubar, another club. Okay, another certificate of recognition is awarded to our beloved, mayroon din siyang surprise award mamaya. For his valuable effort and participation for the Margon team and certified honorary member of Margon Global Incorporated. Known as the Jefferson Vista. Yun yung pinakapugi sa may admirer dito yung dalawa na puling sa akin. Margon Global Incorporated, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to for his valuable effort and participation for the Margon team. Jeddah selection to the Regional Charity Basketball Cup 2012 held in Al Nada Club, Alcubar, KC, November 13, 2012. The handsome of the team, Saidin is Amar. Isa po siya sa alam mo ikaw na-appreciate siya sa sa Alcubar. Yung organizer baka paglaruin siya daw doon, so pupunta siya doon ng round trip ticket every game.
Tatingan dito, Tol.
Harap. Tol, may isa dyan. Walang dala.
Sige, kawawa naman si Dere.
Isa pa.
Isa pa.
Incorporated. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to our beloved regional coach and Maharlikan coach and Margon team coach James V. Assis for his valuable effort and participation for the Margon team Jeddah selection to the Regional Charity Basketball Cup 2012. And also, certificate of recognition is awarded to our beloved coach James Piases for his valuable effort and participation for the Margon team and certified best coach of the team, regional, our beloved James Piases.
Dalawa na siya, coach. Ganun mo, dalawa na siya.
Okay.
Jun, pwede pa singit kahit minsan ka.
So, yun po yung sa regional kasi tumawag sila kanina si Nakimpatan, na-lead na sila. So, malilit sila. So, we will give them the award later on. So, take picture tayo, regional.
Makawata-wata.
Bilis. Camera action.
Okay, we will go to the Philsama team. Ito yung 3 months natin pinaghirapan na ito.